All right, Jaguar owners, welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel, your trusted partner for automotive solutions. Today, I'm diving into the top engine problems you might face and how to fix them. Let's keep your luxurious feline in top-notch shape. First up, timing chain problems. Hear a rattling noise during startup? That's your timing chain calling for help. Over time, it can wear out or stretch, and those tensioners might fail. Keep an ear out and get it checked if you notice poor engine performance or that pesky check engine light. Next, oil leaks. Nobody likes seeing oil spots under their ride or smelling burning oil. Worn gaskets and seals or a faulty oil pan can be the culprits. Regular checks can save you from low oil levels and big headaches. Supercharger issues come in third. If you're losing power and hearing unusual noises, worn bearings or a damaged belt might be to blame. Fixing these issues can bring back that smooth, powerful ride. Coolant leaks are another common problem. Cracked radiators or hoses or a failing water pump can lead to overheating and low coolant levels. Keep an eye on your temperature gauge and look for visible coolant under your vehicle. Now let's talk ignition coil failure. Misfires, rough idling, and poor fuel economy are signs of this issue. Faulty ignition coils or worn spark plugs are often the cause. Regular maintenance can keep your engine firing on all cylinders. Carbon buildup is another issue, especially in direct injection engines. Poor fuel quality can accelerate this. If you notice decreased performance and increased fuel consumption, it might be time for a cleanup. Fuel injector issues can cause misfires and poor acceleration. Clogged or faulty injectors restrict fuel flow and affect performance. Keeping your fuel system clean is key. Finally, engine overheating. Cooling system failures or low coolant levels can cause your engine to overheat. Steam or smoke from the engine? That's a red flag. Regular checks on your radiator, thermostat, and water pump can prevent this. So, there you have it. Understanding these common Jaguar engine problems and their causes can help you maintain your car's performance and longevity. For more insights and expert advice, hit that like button and subscribe to All Auto Parts Group channel or visit our website at Illumination Auto Parts World. Keep that Jaguar purring smoothly. Stay informed, stay ahead, and happy driving.